Welcome back to our cooking channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. Today we will be baking an southern tilapia. This recipe will be using this tilapia. We have 3 tilapia. This is buttermilk, and we have cornmeal, onions powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, little oil to rub the pan, salt, and black pepper. Those are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. First of all, we'll be putting the buttermilk on this, and we will be adding this dry ingredient on this part. So we'll be mixing all the dried ingredients together in one place. The measurement will be on the cashew for all the things we're using. Okay, we mix together. This is even mix. So the next thing I'll be doing is to put a little oil on this one. You can use butter on yours if you want, but I'm using oil today. Okay, so you dip the fish. The fish is already washed. However you wash your own fish, washed it. Then you dip, 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 dip. Same thing. So this is the last one remaining. Here I prefer to use my hand because I think it's better using your hand. Yes. This one is for six people. One person can actually eat it if you want to, but yeah, the recipe is made for 6 people. Okay, we will be going to oven next. All this one's trash. We on the oven for like 5 minutes, then we put the fish inside. Every 15 minutes we turn it. Okay, so we're just going to flip it. I think I need a little bigger pan. I'm just changing it like that. Okay, this is what happened 1 hour later. The fish is actually ready, but I need it to dry. It's done. The fish is done, but I need it to dry. I will just turn it like this, still leave it here for like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is how the fish looks like now. It's still not dry to that extent that it can just come up. I don't want it to be broken. I'll give fish a little bit more time. So the fish is ready. Okay, voila, we are done with our southern baked tilapia. Look at it, very dry. See how strong they are. I think you can also use this one in stew, but it depends on what. So you can use this one in a party though. Look at it, see how dry they are. Let me just, oof. You know, tilapia with a bone. This is so yummy. Guys, please do yours and let me know how yours go. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like our video. Your next party, you have fish. Thank you, everyone. We've really done for our today preparation. We actually make this for the same day. So this is our mac and cheese. The end, we already ate our own. That's what we have left over. See our vegan colored green. Look at it. So nice. Look at the baked cajun chicken and certain baked tilapia. God, we tried a lot today. We won't be putting 4 of them in one video. We'll be separating them and putting them in different video. Please, if you want to know, if you are watching the last part of it, you want to know how we make this for this, please check the video out. Thank you, everyone.